Otherwise, how do I add a brother printer manually to Windows 11 and Windows 10? And simply right click on the start button, choose settings. From the left, then choose Bluetooth and devices. Go to right side, and here you will find the option printer and scammers. Click on it. Add a printer or scammer. Click add device. Windows will search available printer. This printer that I was not listed, keep add manually. Here you will find the list of options. My printer is a leaky older, help me find it. Select the save printer by name, add a printer using the IP address, add a Bluetooth or wireless printer, and add a local printer to network printer with manual settings. Click on it, click on next. Use an existing port, choose a printer port, click on next. Install the printer driver. Here choose your printer and select click on next. Use the driver that is currently installed. Which version of the driver do you want to use? Next, assign a printer name. The printer will be listed with the list. Click on next. Do not save pfon, do not save this printer. Printer setting or. If you choose save this printer, input the data, click on next, and you have successfully added printer driver set as the default printer, checking and printer texture phase for correctness of printer checking. Finally, finish button.